Hi, my name is Dr. James Beck. I'm the Vice President of Scientific Affairs at the Parkinson's Disease Foundation. And today I want to tell you about a new therapy that's been recently approved by the FDA. It's called DUOPA, and it's manufactured by the pharmaceutical company AbbVie. So what is DUOPA? DUOPA is an old medication combined with a new delivery system. The old medication is carbidopa-levodopa, and it's made in a gel form. Carbidopa-levodopa, as you know, is the main ingredient in Sinemet, which is the gold standard Parkinson's medication that's available today. The delivery system is a pump, which is used to infuse the carbidopa-levodopa gel into the small intestine slowly and continuously over about a 16-hour period of time. So you might be asking, how are they going to get this gel into my small intestine? Well, it's through a fairly straightforward procedure. It's one of the most common endoscopic procedures performed in the United States, and that's through the placement of a PEG port. PEG stands for percutaneous endoscopic gastrostomy, and this relatively straightforward procedure is done either inpatient or outpatient. It takes about 15 to 30 minutes to do, and once that port is installed, it provides an access point for which the carbidopa-levodopa gel can then be infused into the small intestine. So how might DUOPA be helpful for a person with Parkinson's disease? The idea behind this therapy is to provide a near continuous supply of carbidopa-levodopa into the intestine, and by the same token, a stable level of carbidopa-levodopa in the bloodstream of a person with Parkinson's disease. By doing so, the idea is to minimize the fluctuations one would have by taking Sinemet or carbidopa-levodopa in a pill form. And as a result, it's been shown in clinical studies sponsored by the manufacturer that the on times have significantly increased for a person with advanced Parkinson's disease to almost 5 hours of increased on time, and a similar decrease in the amount of off time that a person experiences, again, almost about 5 hours. All of this has been done without an increase in troublesome dyskinesias. This is a real fantastic benefit and a real advance for a person with advanced stage Parkinson's disease who's struggling to improve their quality of life. So DUOPA is a great benefit for many people with Parkinson's disease, but something to keep in mind, it's not for everyone. It's a surgical procedure, so one will have to consult with their physician in order to find out whether they're a good candidate for it. That said, it is a relatively minor surgical procedure compared to other Parkinson's therapies, particularly deep brain stimulation. So those individuals who are not good candidates for deep brain stimulation or choose not to undergo brain surgery may want to consider DUOPA as a potential alternative to that. There are many things we don't know about DUOPA still. One of them is when is it going to be available. We just learned that it's been approved by the FDA, and we're still waiting to hear when the company will have its organization ready in order to deliver it to the consumer. Another thing we don't know about DUOPA is how much it's going to cost. If our experience with this drug elsewhere in the world is any indication of how much it will cost here, it'll be on the order of several tens of thousands of dollars a year. One thing with expensive drugs, as we know in the United States, is that many companies, and AbbVie has indicated they'll do this as well, is that they'll provide financial assistance for those individuals who cannot afford this medication but could stand to benefit from it. So DUOPA is an old compound with a new delivery mechanism that's going to be a real benefit for people with Parkinson's disease. This is the second one that's been announced within a week, utilizing carbidopa-levodopa. And we expect several more to come in the near future. And you can be assured that the Parkinson's Disease Foundation will be covering the latest advances within the PD therapeutic space. You can find out the latest advances and some more detail about Rotari, DUOPA, and other compounds that are coming by checking out our blog at blog.pdf.org. My name is Jim Beck with the Parkinson's Disease Foundation. Thank you for your time.